Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today is We Try Vegan. Sorry it's so loud, I'm like on the busiest street ever. So I just arrived to Phoenix, Arizona. It's beautiful here. I'll show you some mountains, but there's so many like buildings and stuff around me. So today we're gonna be trying out Green New American Vegetarian Restaurant. And then right next door we're gonna be trying out Nami's Sweets and Treats. I'm so excited. So they're not open yet. It's currently 11 o'clock. The vegan treats place is open, but I'm gonna say that for after I eat. So I'm just gonna wait here until they open, and then I'm going to show you guys what I get and what it looks like inside. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to bring back We Try Vegan videos. Yeah, so I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I am back. I made it to the hotel, as you can see. If you guys haven't checked out the travel vlog for Phoenix, I'm here for 48 hours and this place is just stunning. Like, look at my view. Like, freaking mountains wrapping around me. So I am dead center in downtown at the Courtyard by Marriott in downtown Phoenix, and it is just the most beautiful hotel. But that's not why we're here. We are gonna be talking about We Try Vegan number, don't even know what it is, but we'll put it up on here. So as you guys know, I just got back from Green New American Vegetarian Restaurant, I believe is what it's called. I really need to start writing things down. And I just got back from Nami. So they're basically like sister restaurants, I wanna say. I don't know this for a fact, but I'm pretty sure because everyone that goes there and reviews it says the same thing. Also, when you're in the restaurant, you have the signs and they're literally right next door to each other. So like they in the Green American Vegetarian place, they say go next door to our sister's Sweets Treats place. Honestly, I'm just freaking amazed. Like, it's just the coolest concept. But before that, let's get into the food. I want to review it for you guys. So as you guys saw, I ate some food over there, and I got my little travel utensils. I bought these a while ago and I haven't been using them. So I haven't been using these recently because I haven't been traveling, but we're traveling a lot this year because it's a new year and we're going to do more We Try Vegan episodes. So without further ado, let's get into this. So basically right here we have a wonton, and we also have buffalo wings with like cucumbers and carrots and a nice sauce. My mouth is just watering. Like, I literally just ate and I was so full, and now smelling it I just like want more. Okay, so pretty much basically you guys saw what the buffalo bites look like. So they're like this, and they are seitan. I believe all of their meats that they use are seitan. So they have like seitan steak, seitan chicken, and then they also have burgers. I don't know what they use for their burger, but I saw it in a picture and it looks like a brown patty, like a Whopper basically, and it's called the Big Whack. So it's kind of like McDonald's Big Mac but veganized. So honestly, this was one of my favorite things that I ate there. It's basically just buffalo seitan chicken nuggets, but the texture and consistency is just so different. You guys know I love that word, consistency, even though I can barely say it. But look at that ish right there. So it's like thicker and more dense than normal seitan that I've tried. Usually when I try seitan, it's like a seitan chicken patty, and it's not as thick or like dense, or just really doesn't have that meat texture that you kind of like look for sometimes in replacements, you know? So when I do go to these places, if I'm going to be spending money, I really do want it to be like pretty amazing. So let's try this. So the ranch, I thought was like blue cheese, but it is ranch. You can really taste the dill in the ranch. It's so delicious. I'm gonna eat another one because amazing. I'm so tempted to go back tomorrow and order some food and go buy some Ziploc bags so I can bring it on the plane and the food doesn't smell too much. So the chicken wings are like $5.50, I believe. And you get quite a bit, I will say. Highly recommend. I gave those a 10, like, really. My only complaint about most of this food is the amount of garlic that they use. And mind you, I love putting garlic in like all my food. Garlic is delicious, but they really overdo it with the garlic. That's like my only complaint about any of this food, because this food is freaking delicious. Okay, so moving on, we have these crab wontons, crab puffs, crab rangoon, cheese wontons, whatever you call them. I grew up calling them cheese wontons. I'm pretty sure that I've mentioned it on my channel before, that cheese wontons and crab rangoon or crab puffs were my favorite thing to eat at the Chinese restaurant. Like, if I didn't get anything else, that's like the only thing that I would get, because I just loved eating these things. So basically, they look like a normal wonton, and wontons come in different like frying methods. This is like one of the most used ones, but basically like a little flour. And then on the inside, it's basically cream cheese. I don't see any like mock shrimp or anything, which is pretty cool. So I don't know what exactly they do add to this, but it's basically cream cheese. And then they served it with a brown sauce. I'm not entirely sure what that brown sauce was, honestly, because it didn't say. It wasn't soy sauce, so I don't know what it was. Okay, so taste test. You know, that is amazing. Like, it reminds me so much of crab rangoon. And let me tell you, I'm not one to fake it. Like, I will tell you guys always, and you guys know, like, if I go to a restaurant and I don't like it, I'll tell you guys. If there's a food I don't like, I will tell you guys, because I don't want you guys to spend your money. But also, it is really cool to, like, go and experience it for yourself, because you might like it even though I didn't like it, or vice versa. This, though, is so worth it. It is $5.50, and I see a lot of people complain about it online because you only get 4. But you guys have to remember how much vegan cream cheese costs. Like, vegan cream cheese is so expensive. So next we have the buffalo seitan chicken po' boy. The seitan is thinner actually, than most seitan chickens that I've had, which I like because it makes it easier to eat and you don't get very messy. I'm so full, I don't want to bite this. Okay, let's try it. So as you can see, the chicken looks pretty chickeny, but it's not like fake, you know what I mean? Like, I've had chicken that is just like not the best, honestly, but that is pretty freaking spot on. Like, bring this to your family and they're gonna think that it's chicken. Also, their fries, these are like my favorite fries, like the shoestring fries, were so yummy. I saw pictures online before I went, and I went to a place in Texas that were like these. They're like their thyme fries. And the Texas ones were just so bad, so I was worried that these were gonna be bad, but these were actually pretty good. They're kind of cold now though, so they're not good anymore. Okay, so now for the rating. I give this restaurant a 9.5, because their customer service was spot on. The food does not take long at all. I don't know if you go there when they're busier. I was actually like the first person in line, because I had gotten there from the airport, so I was the first person there. There were people next door at the bakery, but none of them were eating for lunchtime. So they opened up at 11. The doors were open already. They didn't have to unlock it. They attended me like perfectly, like no attitude. Customer service was on 100. Food came out at a decent time. I didn't have to wait and starve, you know, like at most restaurants, especially vegan restaurants. They take a long ass time for some reason. This restaurant was amazing. They were just so kind. I even made a friend there. She was so nice. The food, 100% 5 stars all across the board, 10 out of 10. Like, it was phenomenal. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. I cannot wait to come back, and I'm telling you guys, I might go back before I go home, because the food is just amazing and it is definitely worth it. So honestly, give it a try. Make sure you guys put it on your list, and everyone that I've watched on YouTube, Instagram, or anyone that I've recommended me any restaurants about Phoenix say that this is the #1. They actually have 2 locations, but you want to go to the one in Phoenix, downtown, because it's right next to Nami, which is the bakery slash coffee shop that's right next door that they're related to. So if you go to the other one, you won't find it there. So go to the one in Phoenix, not the one in Scottsdale. I don't even know, I'm not from here. Pero I'm gonna put the address and all the information down below, so make sure you guys go to that one. If you are at the other one, be sure to visit them as well, but go to this one because they have the bakery next door. Okay, so next, you guys saw that I went to the freaking ice cream, coffee, donut, bakery shop. So basically they have soft serve. This was something that I wanted to get because everyone was talking about it, and they have these cute little cups that say, "Hi, my Nami is," which their name is Nami. So I'm not honestly the biggest fan of ice cream, but this one is pretty good. I've tried many vegan ice cream, and this is actually a soft serve, so it's not ice cream. But they have different flavors, and they basically mix it all up for you there, and then put it in these cups, and you can have it there or to go. I had mine to go, but I ate it there. But as you guys can see, I didn't finish it because, you know, I just really don't like ice cream, but I really wanted to try this to really give you guys a proper review, and also because sometimes I really do crave some sweets, and this week I've been really craving something sweet and I just haven't found what it is, and this cured it. So basically this is a s'mores soft serve. So it has roasted marshmallows, it has chocolate syrup, graham crackers, and vanilla soft serve. They have 3 different flavors, I believe. So you can get the vanilla, the chocolate, and I forget what the other one is. Sorry about that, but I will put everything down below, so be sure to check them out. So I got the vanilla because I just thought that that would be the best with a s'mores. Let's try it one more time. So good. I've had marshmallows before that are vegan, and sometimes they do taste normal, and then sometimes they do taste denser. These were just like perfect. And she roasted them, so they're just so good and soft. They remind me of like marshmallow fluff, and then the graham cracker is just like delicious. The graham cracker honestly looks different. It looks like a cookie. It's pretty mushy now, but you can see it's thicker than most graham crackers. So I don't know if it's like a cookie that they make and then break it apart or what, but it's still pretty crunchy even after sitting in here. This is so freaking good. This is a 10 out of 10. I don't know about their other flavors because I didn't try them, but this is a 10 out of 10. Yes. Okay, they also have treats and stuff. So I came here because whenever I go out of Memphis, I try to get vegan donuts because we do not have any vegan donuts in Memphis, okay? The donuts in Memphis are slacking. There's no vegan ones. You'll find normal ones that are not vegan, but you won't find any vegan ones. So whenever I go out of the city, I like to go to big cities that have donut options. They had 2, so they had the mocha and this lemon blueberry one. I'm not gonna try it right now because I'm too full, but I will definitely let you guys know in my blog post like what I thought about them. Also, I'm giving the lemon one to Errol, so I'll let you know what he thinks. But in appearance and like texture, they look pretty beautiful. It's like a donut, pretty spot on. I hate buying vegan donuts that are like cakey. I don't like that cakey texture, like they're baked. That is not a donut to me. That's a cake, totally different. Nami basically is a coffee shop, but they serve breakfast and they do brunch on Saturdays. And then they have the bakery and the soft serve. Freaking amazing concept. I am obsessed. Out of all, I give Nami a 10. That place was phenomenal. No complaints whatsoever. Everyone was super nice as well. I will say that it's pretty tiny, but when you go in, they have different little sections that you can sit in, so they have plenty of seating for everyone. So this WETRYVEGAN is phenomenal. Like, no complaints other than the too much garlic. Like, that's my only complaint. The pricing is amazing. The pricing is so cheap. I only spent $25 on all of my food. Girl, go to a vegan place that sells like vegan seitan chicken. You're gonna probably spend like 12 something on one sandwich. I had all this stuff for $25. That is freaking phenomenal. Like, I love vegan places that are affordable and show people that vegan food can be delicious, vegan food can be affordable, vegan food can be fun, and it cannot be boring, and it can be cheap and actually taste good. Like, this place is amazing. This concept is amazing. I will definitely be back. Anyways, guys, I need to go because I'm about to go explore downtown, and I'm only here for 48 hours, less than 48 hours actually. So if you guys want to see what I get up to, make sure you guys check out the vlog if you haven't already. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short We Try Vegan, and I hope that you guys are excited for more to come with the new travels. I'm gonna be going to New York this year, I'm gonna be going to California, and I don't know where else I'm gonna go, but we're gonna be traveling, so you guys don't want to miss out. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, bye.